Hello everyone, welcome to Definite Solutions. Today in this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to unzip files and folders in Windows 10. It's super easy and you don't need to install any extra software. So let's get started. First, go to the location where your zip file is. You will know it's a zip file if it has a little zipper on the folder icon. Now just right click on the zip file and then click on extract all. A small window will pop up asking where you want to put the unzip files. Now you need to click browse to select the folder where you want to unzip files, or just leave it as is and then click extract. Windows will unzip into that folder immediately, and that's it. That's how you unzip files and folders in Windows 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, then give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.